Boerne, Texas is located just 20 miles north of San Antonio. Surrounded by the natural beauty of the Texas Hill Country, Boerne offers a variety of activities for you and your family. Enjoy the outdoors while sightseeing in one of Boerne's many parks. This beautiful hill country town is where country meets relaxation. And located in Boerne is this amazingly fantastic home at 28926 Front Gate. This home has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and is 3,434 square feet. Let's see what it looks like inside. Upon entry, you notice how bright and welcoming this home is. There's a pretty big office space right in the front of the home with double doors. The downstairs living room is huge, with a ton of natural light, and is wide open to the kitchen and dining room. This gorgeous gourmet kitchen has granite countertops and a farmer's sink inside of a large island. The dining area is just adjacent to the kitchen and is the perfect size for family meals. The master bedroom is phenomenal. It's huge with a vaulted ceiling and blackout shades. The master bathroom is spa-like. It has a walk-in shower, a garden tub, and a walk-in closet. The secondary bedrooms are very spacious, and they're all spread out throughout the home. The 2 in the front of the home share this gorgeous Jack and Jill bathroom, and the one in the back of the home is perfectly secluded, with access to a beautiful bathroom of its own. There's also an upstairs loft that's perfect for a game room or a second living room. Out back, there's a beautiful covered patio, and the backyard itself is absolutely huge. There's more than enough space for the kids and pets to run around and play. For a full report on this home or any home for sale, or if you'd like to do a free home search that's more accurate than what you find on the internet, log on to our website, give us a call, or send us a text. We're always happy to help.